Hello guys, welcome to my channel AK Mechanical Lecture. Today I have brought any updates regarding faculty recruitment. Before starting, I request you all please like, share and subscribe my channel. So the first college where recruitment going on is in Sai Spurti Institute of Technology. This college is in Gangaram Sattupalli, Khammam district. They have recruitment for assistant professor in computer science, assistant professor in mechanical, assistant professor in English department, assistant professor in maths. They also have some non-teaching vacancy like cashier and warden. For assistant professor, the qualification required is as per AICTE and UGC norms. Means if you have MTech qualified, then you can apply for all these posts. But if you have PhD, then you will be preferred. So if any candidate is interested to apply in this college, so you have to send your resume on or before 18th of March 2021 on triple sit dot principal@gmail.com. The next college where the recruitment going on is in Thiagarajar Polytechnic College. This college in Salem, Tamil Nadu. They have vacancy for lecturer in civil, mechanical, electrical, electronics, production, computer, electronics communication, and agriculture. Qualification required is BE and ME first class. For architecture also they have vacancy. For that, if you have a BArch or MArch in first class by first class, then you can apply. Third, for textile technology, for that also they have required BTech and MTech in first class. Next one for mathematics, physics, chemistry and English. For that also the qualification required is master degree first class. They also have some lab assistant vacancy. For that, if you have 10th standard pass and interested to learn laboratory skill, then you can apply. And after that you have to guide all the diploma students for that. They also have some account assistant vacancy. If you have BCom, if you have qualified BCom with some tally skills, then you can apply. For applying, what you have to do, you have to go visit the college website www.tpt.edu.in and download the application form. After that you have to fill, and after filling you have to send your application on to the principal, Thiagaraj Polytechnic College, Salem, by post on or before 15th of by post you can send, but if you want to send it by mail, then you can forward your application on tptestablish@gmail.com on or before 15th of March 2021, means today onwards by 5 p.m. So if you have your updated resume, then you apply before 5 p.m. in this college. Next college where the recruitment is there is in Bhubaneswar College of Engineering. This college is in Bhubaneswar, Odisha. They have walk-in interview for principal, professor, associate professor, assistant professor in mechanical department, civil department, electrical, electronics, computer science and engineering, physics, chemistry, mathematics and English. They also have some vacancies for technical lab assistant in mechanical, civil, electrical, electronics communication, computer science and engineering, physics, chemistry. Next vacancy is for librarian, and then hostel warden for boys and girls hostels, and next one marketing executive, and last one front desk admission facilitator. Educational qualification required for principal, professor and associate professor is PhD must for applying this post. For assistant professor, if you have MTech or MPhil, then you can apply. For technical assistant, if you have diploma in engineering, then you can apply for technical assistant post. And for physics chemistry, BSc required. For librarian, if you have master in library science, then you can apply. And for marketing executive, they require BTech or a simple graduate with MBA in any discipline for this marketing executive. And last one for front desk admission facilitator, if you have graduate in any discipline with proficiency in computer work, then you can apply. So if anyone is interested, then you have to send your CV on 30th of March 2021 on given email ID bc@bcodisha.co.in. They have not given the walk-in interview dates, but if you apply, then they will inform you by call or by mail. Next one, where the recruitment is there is in college Sri Venkateswara Group of Institution, Erode. I think this college in Andhra Pradesh. They have vacancies for the faculty in for polytechnic, nursing, pharmacy, arts and science, and engineering. For different department, like for diploma, they have vacancies for all branches. If you have master degree with first class in physics, chemistry and English, be for this physics, chemistry and English, if you want to apply for lecturer, then if you have master degree, then you can apply for civil, mechanical, automobile, electrical, electronics communication and computer. If you want to apply for lecturer post, then you must have BE and MTech. And for chemical or petrochemical, if you have BTech and MTech with first class in chemical or petrochemical, then you can apply. For lab technician, same, if you have degree or diploma with relevant experience in chemistry, computer science or chemical, then you can apply. Or if you have diploma with ITI with relevant experience in mechanical and ECE, then you can apply for this mechanical or ECE lab technician post. And they have vacancies for nursing for principal post. If you have MSc community health nursing with 3 years of experience, or a librarian qualification master in library science, then you can apply. Computer assistant for principal. Then for every department, like for polytechnic, nursing, they have individual email ID. You have to send your resume on particular email ID for shortlisting. And if you have to send your resume within 10 days, means today is 15th, so before 25 you have to send your application. For engineering, they have vacancies for assistant professor, associate professor and professor in computer science, civil, electrical, electronics, ECE and mechanical and MBA. They also have vacancy in engineering for physics, chemistry, mathematics, English, qualification and experience as per ICT norms and EDC norms. They also have some system admin vacancy. For that, degree or diploma with hardware knowledge. If you have, then you can apply. For lab technician, if you have degree or diploma or ITI in CSC, civil, ECE, electrical, electronics, mechanical, then you can apply. Typist required, if you have proficiency in Tamil and English, then you can apply for typist post. And some vacancies is in arts and science. For assistant professor, means Tamil, English, math, physics, chemistry, computer science, CDF, microbiology, commerce and management. They have vacancies for librarian. If you have qualified master in library science, then you can apply. For lab technician, also they have vacancies in arts and science. If you have computer science, chemistry, microbiology and CDF related knowledge, then you can apply for that. So that's all about today. Faculty one, okay. So if you have liked the videos, please share it with friends who have need this like this related jobs. So if you have not subscribed the channel, please subscribe.